Ready? Let's go.
Сука, блядь!
Today's video we are going to um, find duplicate number in a series of array. So let's do that. First we'll make a function. We'll call it duplicate, and then nums as the array. Then we'll sort that array adjacently, and then for I in range 1 len nums. So from 1 to the length of our array, if nums I means the number in an array is equal to number nums I minus 1. If this is equal to this, then return nums and I. So basically then we'll print duplicate. Then let's give it a series of arrays. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 again. So the result should be 2. And basically the program is for I in range 1 is the number and length of the nums. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 6 numbers, and if nums dot I means any number from this array is equal to nums I dot I minus 1, which means minus 1 of this array, then return nums that duplicate number. So let's save it and run it. So here we get it. The result should be 2 and it's 2. Let's replace it with 3 and we'll get 3 again. So this is how we can basically take out the duplicate, and this question is asked in coding interviews too, so you can note it down somewhere. And thanks for watching this video. If you want me to do more coding videos, please like and subscribe, and also please comment on which topic I should make a video. Thank you.
Сука, блядь!